In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the G Melodic Minor Scale, the melodic mode, but the relative minor for B flat major. So we still have to remember that we have two accidentals, B flat and E flat, but now because it's melodic, when we are ascending, we will be raising both the 7th and the 6th degree, meaning that E flat will become E, F will become F sharp, and when we descend, we will do the opposite. We will lower the 7th as well as the 6th again, meaning that F sharp will become F and E will become E flat. Let's try this hand separately, one octave only. Starting on G, B flat, raising the E flat and the 7th. Now, when I come down, lowering the 7th and the 6th, remembering still that B flat. For the left hand, starting on G, E, F sharp, F, E flat, B flat. Doing these hands together. Again, you should notice that when we get to the top, we're going to have a crisscross motion with the lowering and the raising of the 6th and 7th. For 2 octaves, we'll be doing the same, but just resetting, making sure that our thumb is on G for the 2nd octave. Thumb. Now, lowering. Left hand. Thumb 4. Hands together. Both thumbs on G. But of course, Hanon wants us to play this 4 octaves with a repeat. Let's give that a go. Starting nice and low. When we get to the bottom, we'll be doing the cadence once again. The cadence works exactly the same as for the G harmonic minor, meaning that we're going to end on G, jump all the way up to C, A, E flat G, B flat D G, then A, C, D and F sharp. And finally, we'll be ending with G, B flat, D, and G. Let's have one more go at that. All the way up. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below, and see you again soon.